Welcome to our guide on how to fix Gmail videos not working on your PC after the new update. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, check that cookies are enabled in your browser settings. Sometimes antivirus software or related applications may turn off cookies, which can disrupt your Gmail experience. If cookies are already enabled, the next step is to clear your browser's cache. Be aware that while this might solve the problem, it also removes any saved settings for websites you visited, so you may need to log in again. Next, ensure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues, so check for any available updates and install them. Don't forget to check for updates on your device as well. Operating system updates can improve the overall performance and fix bugs affecting Gmail. Another important step is to verify your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent videos from playing properly. Try resetting your router if necessary or switch to a more stable network. If you're using a VPN or proxy, consider disabling them temporarily. These can interfere with your internet connectivity and may prevent Gmail from functioning correctly. Sometimes, a simple device restart can work wonders. Reboot your computer to clear any temporary issues affecting performance. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and videos still aren't working, reach out to Gmail support for further assistance. They can provide you with specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your situation. We hope these tips help you get your Gmail videos working again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.